When you want to log in to your learning environment in Blackboard, go to leren.saxion.nl. Use your Saxion account to log in. You are now on the start page of Blackboard. What this page looks like can be different for every academy. First, set your preferred language. To change the language, open the navigation panel at the top right-hand corner. Click on Settings and choose Personal Information. Click on Change Personal Settings and select your language. The navigation panel gives you access to different pages, such as the Updates page or My Grades page from all courses you're enrolled in. To go to the main page, click on the tab My Blackboard. From here you have different options. You can access your announcements, use different tools, and also access all the courses from your program. Under My Courses, you'll find all the courses you're enrolled in. Click on a course name to open the course. On the left-hand side, you'll find the course menu. When entering a course, you can find the current announcements from your teachers. In the course menu, you will see an overview of how the course is constructed. In the course, you can submit your assignments by clicking this button. This button can also be available in one of the other menu items. This depends on the course you're working in. If you have to submit a document, click on Browse My Computer to attach your file so you can submit the assignment. Or do you need to submit a video? Click on Write Submission and select Mashup Cultura Media to add your video. Under My Grades, you can access your graded work. If you want to go to another course, go back to My Blackboard and open it. Under My Blackboard, you also have the possibility to create and upload your own videos in My Media. To upload your video, click on Add New and choose Media Upload. Read the disclaimer and click on I agree if you agree. Drag and drop a file into the box or choose a file to upload. Choose the video file you want to upload and fill in the data. All uploaded videos can be found in your personal media folder, My Media. If you have a question about where you are in Blackboard, you can receive context-sensitive support by clicking on this button. You can then choose a topic or search for it by using the search bar. Now you know what Blackboard looks like. Good luck!